Eritrea's journey to independence is a story of resilience and determination. Let's explore the key milestones. 1889, Italian territory. In 1889, Emperor Menelik II recognized Eritrea as Italian territory, leaving Ethiopia without a seaport. 1941 to 1951, British Protectorate. After Italy's defeat in World War II, Eritrea came under British administration for a decade. 1952, Federation with Ethiopia. In 1952, the United Nations federated Eritrea with Ethiopia, granting limited autonomy. 1962, Annexation. A decade later, Ethiopia dissolved the federation and annexed Eritrea, sparking a long war for independence. 1961 to 1991, Liberation Struggle. For 30 years, Eritrean fighters waged a relentless struggle against Ethiopian rule. May 1991, de facto independence. In May 1991, Eritrean forces captured Asmara, marking the end of Ethiopian control. April 1993, referendum. A UN-supervised referendum saw 99.8% of Eritreans vote for independence. May 24, 1993, Independence Day. On May 24, 1993, Eritrea officially declared independence and joined the United Nations. Eritrea's independence was hard-won, a testament to the power of perseverance and the pursuit of self-determination.
ህዝበይ በዓልና ንዓኻዩ ክብሪ ጦሩ ዘየውረደ ናይ ቀያሕቲ ሕድሪ ቃሉ ዝፈጸመ ንዛ ሃገር ክብሪ ተሳሒልካ ሕማቕ ዘመን ፈጢርካ ዝሕብር ካብዛ ሃገር ዋና ሃገር ኣንታ ሰራሕ መስተንክር ተሳሒልካ ሕማቕ ዘመን ፈጢርካ ዝሕብር ኣጊብካዮ ነዊሕ ትፅቢት ብቕልፅምካ ጎይታ ፅንዓ ኣንታ መን ኣሎ ኸማኻ እወ መን ኣሎ ልዕሊኻ ነብሱ ዘሕሰመን ሃገር ليتن كرنت نحلفكا كاب كتمركا خموت مريتكا ويتا تنعات مليسكا تسحيل كان حماق زمن فديركا زحبي كاب زهاجر وانا هاجر أنت سرح مستنكر تسحيل كان حماق زمن فديركا زحبي عاقيد كاينو يحتسبي قبل تنكا قويتا تنعا